Good morning, children. I am Sagar. I have 11 years experience in teaching. Today we are going to discuss about problems in system of circles. See, first one. Find the equation of the common tangent. Find the equation of the common tangent of the circles x square plus y square plus 10x minus 2y plus 22 equal to 0, and the second circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 8 equal to 0. So what we have to find here? We have to find the equation of the common tangent. So what is the formula for equation of common tangent? S minus S dash is equal to 0. So what is S? S is the equation of the first circle. What is the equation of first circle? X square plus y square plus 10x minus 2y plus 22 equal to 0. S dash is the equation of the second circle. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 8 equal to 0. So we want equation of common tangent. S minus S dash equal to 0. S is x square plus y square plus 10x minus 2y plus 22. Minus of S dash is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 8 equal to 0. Here x square cancel, y square cancel. Here 10 minus 2x, that is 8x will come, minus 2y plus 8y plus 6y will come, and the constant term is here 22, here minus 8, 22 minus 8 is plus 14 equal to 0. Here take 2 as common, the remaining value is 4x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation of the common chord. Okay. See the next problem. Show that the circles x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0, and the second circle is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 6 equal to 0. Touch each other and find the point of contact. So what is the first circle? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 6 equal to 0. Second circle is x square plus y square minus 8x plus minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. See, what is the center of first circle? Center is nothing but minus g comma minus f. G is minus 4 will come, minus g is 4 will come, minus f is minus 1 will come, minus f is 1. So similarly, see to the center of the second circle is minus g. So minus 1 and 1 will come, minus f, minus 3. 1 comma minus 3 is the center of the second circle. So what is the radius of the first circle? The formula is nothing but g square plus f square minus c. G is minus 4 whole square is 16 will come, plus f is 1 minus 1 whole square is 1 will come. So minus of c is 8. So minus 8 will come. That is square root of 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 square root of 9 is nothing but 3. R2. R2 is nothing but square root of minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 3 square is 9 minus 6 equal to. C value is here 6. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So this is the radius of the second circle. Next, first we have to find the distance between two centers C1, C2. That is square root of 1 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to square root of 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square is 9 plus here minus 4 whole square is 16. So root of 9 plus 16 is 25, square root of 25 is 5. Next, R1 plus R2. R1 is 3 plus R2 is 2, that is 5. So C1, C2 is equals to R1, R2 we got. So this is the condition for if two circles are touches. If two circles touches externally, touch each other externally. So first condition proved. Next what we have to find? We have to find the point of contact. Point of contact. So now these two circles touch externally because here C1, this is C2, R1 plus R2. So point of contact, this point of contact, see let us take this point is some P. P divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2. R1 is to R2. So the point is nothing but R1 is to R2 in the ratio. R1 is to R2 is nothing but the ratio is nothing but R1 is 3, R2 is 2 internally. So what is the formula? Find the point of contact. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. This is x1 y1. Center is 4 comma 1 is our C1 and C2 is 1 comma minus 3. Okay. So apply that formula. R1 M1 x2. M1 is R1 3 into x2 is 1 plus R2 is 2 into x1 is 4 by 3 plus 2 comma same as usually 3 into minus 3 plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 2. Okay, that is equal to 3 ones are 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 by 5. Here minus 9 plus 2, so minus 7 by 5. This is the point of contact. Okay. See the next problem. Show that the common chord of the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 23 equal to 0 is the diameter of the second circle, and also find its length Okay. So here what you have to go? Show that the common chord of these two circles is the diameter of the second circle. So first we should find the common chord of the circle. So what is the formula for common chord? S minus S dash. That means x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9 minus x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 23 equal to 0. So x square get cancelled, y square also cancelled. Minus 6x plus 8y is 2x. Minus 4y plus 6y is plus 2y plus 9. Minus 23 is minus 14 will come equal to 0. This is x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Take 2 as common here. The remaining value is x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the common chord. the center of the second circle is what one? What is the center of the second circle? Center of second circle is minus 4 comma minus 3. Minus g comma minus f. This is the second circle. So g is minus 4. G is minus 4. Yeah, 4 comma 3. Okay. So 4 comma 3 lies on x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Apply here. And in the place of x is 4 and y is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay. So 4 comma 3 lies on x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Now radius is What is the radius? 4 square plus 3 square minus 23 whole power 1 by 2. Root of x square plus y square. So root of g square plus f square minus c. That is equals to root 2. So root 2. So what is the diameter? Diameter is nothing but twice of the radius. Diameter is the twice of the radius. So diameter is nothing but 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Okay. Next. See the next problem. Find the equation length of the common chord. Find the equation and the length of the common chord of x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. And the equation of second circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. What do we have to find? Find the equation and length of the common chord. So what is the formula to find the equation of common chord? Equation of common chord is nothing but s minus s dash equal to 0. What is s? X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 minus of x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. So x square, y square cancel. 2x minus 4x is minus 2x. 2y minus 3y is minus y. Now so 1 minus 2 is minus 1 equal to 0. Take minus common. The remaining is 2x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the common chord. So what is the center of the first circle? Center of the circle is nothing but g is 1, f also 1. So minus g comma minus f is the center. Minus 1 comma minus 1. So radius equal to square root of g square. G square is 1 square. 1 plus f square also 1 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay. Next. Next, what we have to find? Length of the common chord. We have to find the length of common chord. So the length of perpendicular from center to the chord. Center to the chord. T is equals to. What is the perpendicular distance from ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square? This is the equation. So 2 into center x1 y1 is minus 1 plus 1 into y into y. In the place of y is 1 plus 1 by root of a square is 2 square plus b square is 1 square. that is equals to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 plus 1. So minus 2 by 2 square plus 1 is root 5. So 2 by root 5 will come. 2 by root 5 is the perpendicular distance. Okay. This is the circle. This is the chord. Length of perpendicular distance from here to here, what we got? 2 by root 5. This is D. This is the radius 1. So we want the length of the chord, this AB. So AB is nothing but 2 into root of r square minus d square. 2 into root of r value is 1 square minus d square is 2 by root 5 whole square is 4 by 5. That is equals to 2 into root of 5 minus 4 is 1 by 5. So the length of the chord is nothing but 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. Is it clear now? Okay. See the next problem. Find the angle between the circles. Find the angle between the circles. Find the angle between the circles. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 14y plus 28 equal to 0 is this is the first circle. And the equation of second circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So equations of the given circles are equations of the given circles. What is the first equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 4x minus 14y plus 28 equal to 0. Second circle equation is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So centers, what is the center of a circle? Minus 2 comma 7. Okay, so second circle center is minus 2 comma 0. Okay, C1 C2. C1 C2 is square root of minus 2 plus 2 whole square, 0 minus 7 whole square equal to square root of 0 plus 7 square is 7 will come. C1 C2 is 7 will come. So what is R1? R1 equal to square root of 4 plus 49 minus 28. That is equals to square root of 4 plus 49 is 54 minus 28 is 53 minus 28 is 25 is equals to 5. R2 is square root of 4 plus 0 minus of plus 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So now theta is the angle between the circles. Then the formula for cos theta is nothing but d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2 into r1 r2. D square is 7. 7 square is nothing but 49 will come. R1 square is 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9 by 2 into R1. R1 is 5, R2 is 3. So 25 minus 9, 34. 49 minus 34 is 15. 15 by 2 into 5 into 3. So here 15 here cancel demand is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 value in the cos is cos 60 will come. Okay, cos 60. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. That means pi by 3. Theta is pi by 3. See the next problem now. If the angle between the circles, if the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus kx plus 6y minus 59 equal to 0 is 45 degrees. Find k. So, what is the given circle equation? X square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 equal to 0. Here g1 is minus 6, f1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 41 plus 41. So g2 is k by 2, f2 is 3, c2 is minus 59. So we know cos theta formula. What is the formula for cos theta? c1 plus c2 minus 2 g1 g2 minus 2 f1 f2 by 2 r1 r2. That is equals to. Already theta value given. Theta is 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees equal to c1. C1 is 41, C2 is minus 59, minus 2 into G1 is minus 6, G2 is k by 2, minus 2 into F1 is minus 3, F2 is 3 by 2 into R1, R2. So what is the radius of the first circle? Square root of 36 minus plus 9 minus 41 into square root of k square by 4 plus 9 plus 59. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is equals to 41 minus 59 minus of 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 plus 18. 41 plus 18, 59. So 59, 59 get cancelled. Remaining 2 to here also 2 to get cancelled. Minus into minus plus 6k will come plus 6k by 2 into root of 36 plus 49. 36 plus 9 is 45 minus 41 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2 will come. So 2 into 2 is 4. The square root of k square by 4 plus 5 plus 59 is 68 will come. Okay. Do cross multiplication and squaring on both sides. Do cross multiplication and squaring on both sides. So what will come? Sixteen into k square by 4 plus 68. 36 into 2. 72 k square. So here 4 table will cancel, 4 2s are 4 9s are. Eight table, 8 2s are 8 9s are. Okay, the remaining is 2 into k square by 2. That means 2 into k square, take LCM, 68 into 2 is 270, 68 into 4 is 272 by 4 is equals to 9k square. So 2 1s are 2 2s are get cancelled. K square plus 272 is equal to 18 k square. Send 18 k square this side. k square that side. 18k square minus k square is 17k square. 17k square equal to 272. So k square equal to 272 by 17. Okay, 17 ones are 17, 16 are will come. Okay, k square is equal to 16. K equal to plus or minus 4. So plus or minus root 16 is plus or minus 4. Okay.